All right, very similar problem. We just got exponentials this time. So the population of a town grows at the rate 2e to the 0.2t minus t people per year. Approximately by how many people did the population grow between t equals 0 and t equals 5? So they gave us the rate function, so we're going to go ahead and integrate that rate to find that net change to figure out how many people did it grow by between t equals 0 and t equals 5. So to do this, I'm going to split up our integral. Let me put that 2 out to the front, be a little bit easier to deal with that way. And so for this one, we're going to have minus t squared over 2 from 0 to 5. Really simple. We'll deal with that later. But over here, we're going to have to do a u substitution. So we'll have u equals 0.2t, du equals 0.2 dt. So then du over 0.2 is dt. So I'm going to have 2 integral from, and let's just plug that 0 in. We'll have 0, and then 5 times 0.2 is 1, e to the u times du over 0.2. And then that becomes 2 over 0.2. So if we think about that, so 2 divided by 0.2 is going to be 10. E to the u from 0 to 1 minus t squared over 2 from 0 to 5. Focusing on this now, so we'll have 10 times 10 e to the 1 minus 10 e to the 0. The minus will have 5 squared over 2 minus 0 squared over 2. So it's going to be 10e minus 10 minus 25 over 2 minus 0. So if you think about this, we'll just go ahead and get a common denominator, 20 over 2. And 10e minus 45 over 2. And that would be your answer.